Hey friends, it's Aaron from Crystal Fonts, coming at you this time with an all about touchscreen video. Do you want to learn about touchscreen displays? Stay tuned.
We have a display for that.
In this video, we're going to talk about two different touchscreens that we offer, and what makes them different and what makes them better in some environments. The two types of touchscreens we're talking about are capacitive and resistive. First and most common type of touchscreen is a capacitive touchscreen. Capacitive touchscreens work by registering a change in the electrostatic field on the display when it's touched with an adequately capacitive object, like a finger or stylus. The key point here is that whatever you're touching the screen with has to be conductive material, so if you're wearing surgical gloves, it's not going to work how you want. Also, they'll work best in clean environments where contaminants like dirt and water won't get on the screen that may cause unwanted presses or glitches. Another cool feature of capacitive touchscreens is the ability to support multiple touches and gestures depending on the controller. This brings me to another difference. A capacitive touchscreen usually has its own touchscreen controller and a separate FFC from the display, which in turn makes them a bit more expensive than the resistive touchscreens. The other type of touchscreens you see out in the world are resistive touchscreens. Resistive touchscreens are made with two or more transparent layers comprised of resistive material that face each other. There is a layer of air separating the layers, so when you press it, you're pushing the top layer into the bottom layer. Each layer has a horizontal and vertical lines that register the precise location of the touch, which makes resistive touchscreens perfect for environments where users are wearing gloves or there's lots of contamination like dirt or liquids. There are a few drawbacks to using resistive touchscreens, one of which scratches and damage that make it harder to see the screen. The top layer is generally soft and prone to scratches or yellowing in the sun. The other, which could be a drawback or a benefit depending on your use, is that they're not very sensitive, so you need to apply more pressure. Also, they don't support multi-touch, so there'll be no pinching and zooming with these displays. There's another touchscreen technology out there which is called Incel, which has many of the same features as capacitive touchscreens, however it's built into the display themselves. I'll link a video that demonstrates them. That wraps up this video on the differences between touchscreen technologies. If you're looking at purchasing touchscreen displays, check out the links below to all the different touchscreen solutions that we offer. If you have any questions about touchscreens, please leave them in the comments below or send us an email at support@crystalfonts.com. And thanks for watching.
We have a display for that.